morning everyone. Bonsai is a very specific topic where more number of bits can come. So let us discuss the topic bonsai and the important questions that can be asked in the bonsai. So first of all, let us know what is bonsai. Bonsai is a Japanese word. It is originated from the Japanese language bonsai, which means tray planting. The word bon means tray, sai means planting, so bonsai means tray planting, and this is the Japanese art. So but it is originated from China. And there is another category of bonsai which is called mame bonsai, and the mame bonsai usually will be 2 inches tall or 5 centimeters long. And the miniature, there is a bonsai called miniature bonsai which is 8 to 15 centimeters, and when it is 8 to 15 centimeters it is miniature, and it is 5 centimeters it is mame bonsai. So usually a question can be asked, what is the length of the mame bonsai? It is 5 centimeters. If it is a miniature, it is 8 to 15 centimeters. So another question is what is the bonsai? Bonsai is which word? It is a Japanese word, and what is it? Does it means tray planting, and where it is originated? China. These bits can be asked. This is the image of the mame bonsai. Now let us see the bonsai styles. There are different styles of bonsai. First one is formal upright, the other name is chokkan, and they can also ask what is the other name of chokkan style, and it is so we should know the common name and Japanese name also. In this style, it is characterized by a straight and upright trunk, and the branches progress widest from the down to narrowest to the top. This is the formal upright, and the trunk will be straight without any taperings or bendings. This is the upright style. And the second one is informal upright. In this style, there will be curves in the trunk and in branches also, but the apex of the informal in informal style, but the apex is directly located above the trunk, and the soil line will match, so this is called informal upright. And in the slant or second style of bonsai, it also processes straight trunk, but the tip will be bending. If it is the center line, the tip will be bending either towards the right side or left side. This is slant style or second style of bonsai. And the next we see is Cascade or Kengai style, which is one of the most curious type of bonsai to produce. And in a cascade style, it will grow over the water or downside of the mountains, giving the cascading appearance. And semi-cascade style, Hang Kengai, in which the bonsai extend just the lip of the bonsai pot. That means if it is the straight line of the pot, just only little bit has come down, that is a semi-cascade style. But when we see the cascade style, that apex of the plant completely falls below the pot level. This is called full cascade, and this is semi-cascade. And the Japanese name is important, Kangai or Hankangai. And they can also ask which of the following is a style of bonsai. So remember, there are both cascade and semi-cascade styles of bonsai. And the next one is root over rock or Seki Joju type, in which the roots of the tree are wrapped around the rock. You can see it represents the total natural style where it is attached to rock. It is called root over rock style. And till now what we are discussed having only one plant with multiple branches, but there is another style of bonsai where many plants are grouped together to create a effect like forest or group. So in that we have forest or group style, in which many trees are present. It can be of one species or different species, and usually it is planted in odd numbers. And the next one is Raft Style or Ikkadi Bukki. Here also everywhere we have to remember the name of the style and Japanese name of the bonsai. And this type, the major idea of this style is to mimic a natural phenomena, looking like the plant has passed through a great erosion and still sustained. And over the trunk, a group of new plants emerging. That is the idea of this raft style of bonsai. And there is another style called multi-trunk or soaken style or sunken style. And in this, one of the main thing is here, it is having the same root system but have multiple branches, but it is actually a single tree but looks like a multiple tree. And there, the idea of which plants to use for bonsai is also important. So usually the most common plant for bonsai is Ficus benjamina, Ficus microphylla, Ficus nerifolia. Other locally available plants like neem plant, pomegranate can also be used, and some other plants like powder puff, poinsettia, sapota, silver oak also serves as a good plants for bonsai, and usually juniper is also used. Cypress is also used for making bonsai. Knowing about what kinds of pots are useful for growing a bonsai is also very important, since the root system is very sophisticated and it is a very aesthetic. So in order to increase the aesthetic value and increase the lifespan of the plant, so we have to know about the pots also. So if we are planning a straight trunk style of bonsai, either in formal upright or informal upright, where the trunk is straight like this, the rectangular square shape pots are very much suitable for straight trunk. And if you are growing any other type of style of bonsai like cascade or anything, for that a oval or a round shape or any pots with any special size and decorations can be used. And mostly one should use either ceramic pots or terracotta pots to make the air, because the air spaces in the pot help the air come inside and let the roots breathe. It is better to avoid plastic pots and use the ceramic and terracotta pots. So the roots has a suffocating zone in a very constrained place. So in order to allow the air enter inside the pot, better to go for any earthen pots, ceramic pots than the plastic pots, which helps in the good growth and good appearance of the plant. Thank you.